Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's close to all of our hearts, especially here in Europe: money management. Whether you're in Berlin, Paris, or Lisbon, mastering your money is the key to unlocking more freedom and less stress. Understanding a few key principles can completely transform your relationship with money. We're talking going from feeling overwhelmed to feeling empowered, from living paycheck to paycheck to achieving your financial goals. So, grab your coffee, get comfy, and let's get those euros working harder for you. Alright, let's kick things off with the foundation of good money management: budgeting. It's not about restricting yourself or living like a monk, it's about understanding where your hard-earned euros are actually going each month. Tons of apps like Revolut or N26 make tracking your spending easy. Try the 50-30-20 rule: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt. Simple, right? Now let's talk about preparing for the unexpected. Aim to build up 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in a separate savings account. Start small, even 10 or 20 euros a week, and automate those savings. Next, up debt. Focus on the highest interest debt first. Use the avalanche method to prioritize paying down the debt with the highest interest rate. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Now that we've covered budgeting and tackling debt, let's talk about putting your money to work for you. Leaving your cash in a low-yield savings account is like leaving a Ferrari parked in the garage. Thanks to technology, there are beginner-friendly options like robo-advisors such as Trade Republic. These platforms invest your money based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Over time, even small, regular investments can snowball into significant wealth. Depending on where you live, you might be eligible for tax perks by investing in certain accounts. Start a private retirement plan as early as possible. Congratulations, you landed a promotion or got a nice raise. Before you upgrade your entire life, let's talk about lifestyle inflation. As your income increases, it's tempting to upgrade everything. But if you're not careful, your expenses can quickly outpace your earnings. Maintain your current lifestyle for a while and automate your savings. This way, you'll avoid lifestyle inflation and stay on track with your financial goals. In the world of personal finance, knowledge is power. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart decisions with your money. Take advantage of the wealth of resources out there. Follow European finance blogs, listen to podcasts, and subscribe to YouTube channels like this one. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become in managing your money. Understand things like taxes, inflation, and the specific financial laws in your country. Your wallet will thank you in the long run. And there you have it, guys. Those are my top tips for mastering your money right here in Europe. It's not about deprivation or restriction. It's about making your euros work harder for you so you can live the life you want. Whether you're just starting out or you're already on your financial journey, remember this: small, consistent actions add up to big results over time. Start budgeting, build that emergency fund, invest wisely, and never stop learning. Your future self will thank you. There you have it, your crash course in European money management. Once you get into the rhythm of budgeting, saving, and investing, it becomes second nature. Personal finance is all about finding what works best for you and your unique circumstances. Adapt what you've learned today to your own life and start building that solid financial foundation. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. Until next time.